Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Crazy Cars Canada here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be giving you guys all a step-by-step tutorial on how to make the Radiator Springs Courthouse that we did see in the Disney Pixar Cars movies. We are going to be going fast, so don't be afraid to take notes and pause the video. So let's get straight on into it, starting off right now. So first off, here are the plans for the entire road, and here is the setup that we are working with. Bunch of cardboard, some materials to make it, scissors, measuring tape, and here you can see the cutout for all 4 of the walls, 2 sides, the front and the back. Then we sketched out the designs on the front of the building, and now we're actually going to start coloring it in. This nice maroon color like it did appear in the movie, and you can see color in between the lines. Do not color in the windows with this color, but we're going to speed it up right now. And there we go, all colored in is the front of the building, looking fantastic in my opinion. And now there you can see a quick rough overview. You can see the 3 doors, the main one, Town of Radiator Springs, Traffic Court, and Sheriff. And just looking fantastic. There is the side wall, and there's actually 2 of them, which will be connected to the front. And now it's actually time to start working on the back. This is all going to be one solid maroon color with a white trim at the bottom. And now you can see all 4 of the walls are all done. And just before we do glue them all together, we actually do have to work on the interior. So here you can see some paper I did print out using Pic Collage. Those are actually the designs that are going to be on the inside of the walls if you guys want to use them, like I said. And there's the other 2, the back wall in the top left, and in the top right we have the other side wall. So don't be afraid to screenshot those and share me your final result. I would love to see it. But now you can see they're all cut out and ready to be glued onto their specific wall. So let's grab the glue gun, fire it up, and let's get straight on into it. Now you can see the walls are being all glued onto the bases, or all the papers being glued onto the bases, and there's the 3 walls connected, 2 sides and the front on the base, looking nice. Interiors looking great. And there you have it, the back wall is all on. And we're actually not done yet, so don't click off the video just yet, as we actually do have to do a roof. So here is the roof that is just going to plop on top, kind of just like that, as you can see. Nothing really too special. Did add some kind of solar panels on the top for aesthetics, but here is actually the side road and the front of the courtyard, I guess you can say. That is going to be it. And it goes around the side of the building, and some black tuck tape as the road. And there you can see, all looking fantastic. It does actually come off the courtyard if you want it to, just in case you don't have enough space. But ladies and gentlemen, there it is. It is all done. The Radiator Springs Courthouse is officially completed. I did make a new one because my other one was way too big, took up a lot of space, and it wasn't that great. So I am glad I made one to the proper size and scale, with a real interior, and it just looks great in my opinion. Do let me know what you guys think about it in the comments below. And if you did enjoy this video, please do consider subscribing. That'd be greatly appreciated. And follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Crazy Cars Canada. That'd be greatly appreciated as well. But I do hope you guys all do have a fantastic day. If you do make one of these, please share it to me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys all later. Have a great day, and peace.